Hello, hello. January 4th. This one is a little bit different. I finally finished my ozone sanitization and filtration system. I'll bring you guys closer to it. So basically, the ozone sanitizes my water, and there's a filter as well. I put my little thermometer so it doesn't fall in the water anymore. Again, it's 47.6 Fahrenheit, 8.7 Celsius. It's 13 Celsius outside, which is 55 Fahrenheit. 49% humidity. I'm thinking to go, as always, about 3.5–4 minutes. Come join me. Sorry, I'm a little bit slower still, early in the morning. Alright, it's a bit of a longer video, but I just wanted to show you guys the new system. My water looks super crispy clean. This is about a month old water, so I'm very happy what the ozone did. Cleaned it very well. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. And in 3, 2, 1, and dive. I can smell the ozone. I don't know if it's a good or bad thing. Or if such a thing to smell the ozone, I don't know. But when I lifted the cover, I smelled something that I haven't smelled before. I also use food grade hydrogen peroxide and natural enzymes to keep the water this clean. But I'm very happy with it. It's super clean. That was a nice cold dip. Brain freeze. How are you doing on time? I think I have another minute and a half to go. When you move the water around a little bit, it's harder because about around your legs and around your whole body, you warm up the water a little bit if you stay still. But once you start moving around, you mix up the water again. About 40 more seconds. All right, 5 more seconds. What was it? 3.5 minutes plunge again. Feeling good. It's a little bit windy outside. Water temperature is 55, so it's not really hot outside. I think I can go colder next time. I'm getting used to this temperature. It's 48-ish temperature. I think tomorrow I'm gonna, or tomorrow or after tomorrow, I'm gonna go a little bit colder. And now it's time to do my warm-up and a workout, which I'm going to stream. I see you guys in the next plunge. Bye bye.